UVC Softec present Vastuadvisor, a software to generate computerized Vastu reports of your premises. Vastuadvisor website and Android application. How to download and use this application. Go to Play Store, type Vastuadvisor and select Vastuadvisor Lite and install the same. After downloading, open your app and complete your registration and create your account. Whenever you want to survey a new premises, you will have to log in with your mobile number and your created password. Vastuadvisor software generates reports in English and Hindi. Select the language before selecting the premises type. Vastuadvisor application can be used to generate reports of residents, shops, office, restaurants, and industries. Now the main survey starts. Enter the premises and locate the approximate center of the premises. Stand there, hold mobile with Vastuadvisor app on, parallel to the ground, and deselect the location of internal rooms. Once you select type of premises, then select number of rooms/areas in the premises. Next, without changing your approximate location, start selecting room/area location by pointing the mobile towards it. Please don't change your location. After completing the location survey, start going in the rooms as per the instructions to survey the interior of the rooms. Again, locate the center and start the selection as per the instruction typed below the question. Next, screen select door/window directions, as this is very important to generate proper furniture plans of the room. Follow the instruction given below the subject. Very easy to use online Vastu software and Android application. This software is such that once the details of a house or an industrial or commercial unit are fed in, it gives a report on the merits and demerits of the premises as per the tenets of Vastu Shastra, along with percentage evaluation and tentative furniture layouts of rooms. Right way of selecting door direction. Door and window direction should be noted from inside the premises. One has to stand right in front of the door and select the facing direction as shown in the plan. Never select door/window direction standing in center of the room. After completing the survey, you will be guided to the secured payment gateway, which will guide you for making the payment. Once payment is done, PDF of report can be downloaded automatically by clicking on download icon. If you have any promo code, you can fill it up to get the benefits. You can download the report in Hindi and English. There is a choice of getting your report via email also. A report which evaluates the premises, checks it on percentage scale, then gives easy to follow recommendations with furniture layouts as per the tenets of Vastu Shastra, along with percentage evaluation of the changed Vastu of the premises. There are thousands of plans incorporated in the software, which comes with maximum accuracy. This software is developed after extensive survey of all type of premises in and around Mumbai by Vastuadvisor team headed by architect B.R. Gandhi. The report is very easy to understand and follow. There is no demolition recommended, and furniture placement suggestions are given in form of plans. Most important part in the computerized Vastu report is the percentage calculations. This give one exact idea of Vastu status of the premises. Most important part in the computerized Vastu report is the percentage calculations. This give one exact idea of Vastu status of the premises. The report gives recommendation for furniture placement in form of proper layout of the room. Note the room is as per the location selected by you. Vastuadvisor's reports give 100% accurate evaluation and recommendations of individual room and areas with furniture placement suggestions in form of proper plans. There are thousands plans with all type of permutation and combination incorporated in the software to give accurate furniture layouts as per the tenets of Vastu. Thank you.